Hi, second graders. Miss Shannon here. I'm going to read the directions for each question on the checkpoint in this video. Number 1, fill in the charts below to describe each set of base 10 pieces. You can see there is a practice example at the top. I see the number 124. Now I need to write it in showing how many hundreds, how many tens, and how many ones. There's only 100, there are 2 10 sticks, and there are 4 ones. Remember, using this picture as a guide. Now it is time to write it in expanded form. We practiced this in math small group on Friday. To write in expanded form, you are going to tell the value of how many hundreds, tens, and ones you have. The value of 100 looks like this, 100. Then I had 2 tens. The value of 2 tens is 20 plus 4 ones. So expanded form is 100 plus 20 plus 4 equals 124. So you are going to look at letter A, tell me the number you see, how many hundreds, tens, and ones there are, and write the expanded form of the number. Each of the green boxes is a space for an answer. You are going to do the same for letter B. Number 2 reads, which number is greater, 313 or 331? Click on the green box for letter A and type in the number that is greater. Letter B asks, how do you know? Use numbers, sketches, or words to explain your answer. So please tell me how you know the number is greater than the other. Number 3, count by tens to fill in the missing numbers. So you're going to skip count by tens, filling in the missing number for each green box. Number 4, which number has the same value as the expanded form? Fill in the bubble to show. Well, we aren't going to fill in a bubble. Instead, you will click and drag the oval to choose your answer. So letter A, 400 plus 20 plus 5. Letter B, 500 plus 10 plus 3. And letter C, 600 plus 8. You are going to circle the number that has the same value. Number 5. James has 3-digit cards. Help him arrange the cards to make the smallest 3-digit number possible. So he has a 9, a 3, and a 5. Can you rearrange those numbers to create the smallest number possible? You will click and drag the numbers outlined in red in order to make the smallest 3-digit number. And lastly, number 6. Add the numbers in each pair of problems, and then write the correct symbol in the circle to compare the sums. The sum is the answer to an addition problem. You will use less than, equal to, or greater than to compare. After you solve the problems and write the answers in the green boxes, you will use the symbols outlined in red to compare the numbers. Click and drag the symbols into the circles to compare the two numbers.